Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be discussing something unusual for our channel but very fun and interesting, which also again proves the capability and the power of PromptMate as a tool, because in this video we will actually be able to create a full video just with PromptMate. And actually, as you can see on my screen, I have something that has been created all with PromptMate, which we will dive in a second to show you how I did it. But let me just play it a little bit, and at the end you will also be able to see it with music. And I explored many tools out there such as Runway or Kling AI, and they all struggle. They are all too slow to process. They cost a lot of credits, and to be honest, you have to juggle multiple tools, go from one tool to another to create them. But with PromptMate you don't have to, because thanks to our ability of bulk processing and also testing results before saving the solution as a template was the best way I could find. I will also try to do a live demonstration after I show you how I created this, just to actually check how long it takes you to create such a video. But before wasting any more time, let's get started. So you can pause the video to steal my prompt here, but it's nothing very difficult. I'm mainly asking ChatGPT to write a children's story. So in this case, this is the story which you would have to copy. No big deal. That's the first step. Create a story, simple story, and copy. Now I created the templates with PromptMate that will completely do this autonomously. All you have to do is copy paste the story here as an input. That's all you have to do. And then this template specifically focuses on prompt creation. This template uses Claude and then ChatGPT Mini. First prompt creates the base prompt, as we call it. You may have seen this in other videos. I've done it for AI influencers or creating consistent images for brands. So it's pretty much the same. But the first prompt we create around the story and the story title, base prompt, right? I also serve here the example, so I have more control on the results. And then I did a calculation. So in order to create a video which is up to 2 to 3 minutes, actually, I will need 45 prompts, because then I will be creating 45 images with Flux, which then will be turned into videos, 4-second videos with Stability AI image to video. So creates, as you can see the result, it creates the main prompt here, which specifically mentions a Disney or Pixar-like 3D animated image. And then it gives 45 variables or variations, however you want to call them, for each prompt. So then we separate each prompt. So we're doing it 45 times, as you can see. Before finishing with this template, then we ask on one of the last prompts to turn all the prompts together as a table, right? Which you can then save as a CSV, download as a CSV, or copy. I prefer to just copy everything, right? So copy everything, and don't worry about the template links. You will find all the template links in the description under this video. So copy all the prompts here. Then open a Google Sheet or a CSV on Excel, however you, or an Excel file, however you prefer. I like CSVs. And create on a Google Sheet, copy paste all the prompts. And the title of the column should specifically be Flux AI prompts for images. Do this and then simply download this as a CSV. Very simple. Now we have the CSV with all the prompts. So we go to this other template. So instead of using a single input, we click on switch to CSV input and upload the CSV that you just downloaded, right? And then click run bulk. What it will do, it will create all the images for you. Let me just show you an example. You have all the images in here. Let's open this other one, which mainly are all the images that I showed to you on Canva, right? So now download this as a CSV again. Just click on download and download it as a CSV. The next step, you'll go to this other template. The title of this template is temporary. When it's published, it might be a little bit different, but anyway, you will find the link to this as well in the description under this video. So do the same thing here. Switch to CSV input, not single input. Upload the CSV with all the images URLs created in this other template. When you click run bulk, it will turn each image into video. So as you can see, I have done that already. And if you open these links, they are all MP4s, they are all videos. Let me just show you. See, you can grab any of them. So here are all the videos. It's done. All you have to do now is put them together. So now here I would recommend you to download, open on a Google spreadsheet, I would recommend. So you stay on the browser, you have to download all of them. You can even download them from here and just go from page to page, but I would recommend to open on a Google Sheet as I have done here. And what you do now, it's you start saving them, download them, all of them, right? When you download them, go on a tool such as Canva, which is easier to do. If you want to use something else, you can, but Canva is the most common one. I'm pretty sure you're already familiar with it. So go on Canva and upload all of them, as I've done here, as you can see. Once you do, just create 45 empty slides. It must be on video, right? So Canva for video. It's very simple. I'm not going to go through this. I'm pretty sure you have seen other videos or see other videos on this channel. So just create 44, 45 of them, whatever you have generated already. And all you have to do is just drag each video in for each slide. The videos you just downloaded are all 4 seconds of length. One thing you might need to do, we know how it is with AI generated videos, the motion sometimes might come with imperfections. So the ones that you see here, some of them had these anomalies, these imperfections. So I shortened them. Let me just show you what I mean. So this was 4 seconds, right? But what happens when you play this? So what I did, I just shortened the part and just kept the part which is good. So that's what you have to do, but as you can see, not very often. Most of them are 4 seconds. The next thing you do is you go and add music, right? So as you can see here, what I did, I added some music. You can add audio by just going to elements and go to music and just select the category that you like. In this case, background, soft background music, and just drag it in here. I'm just going to show you just like this, right? And then you can download the video. So one more thing that you can do with these templates, which I chose to not do in this case, it's actually not stop there with PromptMate, but also if you like, you can do something such as create a script. So in this case, I said, considering the children's story and the image slides created for this video, create a simple narration 400 word script that fits this children 3D mini story. Return the script in plain text without pre or post text. And I'm using Claude for this purpose, and it gives you a script, and then just repeat the result of that previous prompt, this one, which is the script mainly, and choose as an AI system, as a model, OpenAI text-to-speech. And then you can change the voice if you like. And what it does, it actually gives you the voice for the story if you like it. So
welcome to the magical underwater world of Timmy the Turtle. Our story begins in a colorful coral reef.
So if you want, you can add this to your video as well. And so this is it. This was very simply done. You can do this for many purposes. You can do it for your brand. If you're selling an ebook for children, you can serve this content to your YouTube channel to grow your audience. You can actually monetize a YouTube channel. There are so many niches. You can do your research on your own, but PromptMate is great at consistency thanks to the prompt base and the variations that differentiate the prompts for each image, but the consistency is perfect, right, for these characters. So now let's try and create something else. Let's do this live and see actually how long it will take. I'll just put a timer on just to have an idea, and I'll keep the timer on the screen for you to see how long it will take us to create a video with PromptMate. So let's say in this case, I'm gonna change here. I'm gonna say create another story, but the character this time is a little bird. We copy this and we go on PromptMate, and here we paste the story we just created. We paste it in here and we click on run. Sorry, I was not recording that moment, but yeah, mainly that's all I did. As you can see, the timer is still going. It's just 3 minutes so far. Probably the last prompt, just putting all the prompts together in one table for you to then easily move them from there with a copy paste or by downloading the table. That's why it's taking so long. It's like 45 prompts in one table. Now it's just loading the results. And great. So all we have all the prompts in here. Might be more interesting to copy them from here. Then it would copy this part. Let's see. So now all you have to do is just copy all of them. Come on a Google spreadsheet, as I just told you earlier. I'm removing all the existing prompts, and then I'm just gonna copy paste the whole thing and remove this column here, which probably I'm gonna grab this and name this column. Move this. Don't need it. Now we have all of them in. Perfect, they are. Now all you have to do is come here and download it as a CSV. So now we come to this other template that will generate all the images for us in bulk. We remove the old file, that prompts for the video that I showed you in the beginning of this video, and just upload the that we just downloaded. Let's make sure the title is exactly as the template wants it. So I'm gonna remove this sheet 1 right here. So now I can take this and drag and drop it in here, right? So now we click on run bulk. This template will turn all the prompts into images with Flux Pro. So as you can see, they are perfectly working and with a crazy speed if you think about it. This is already done? Oh wow, that's crazy. Okay, so we have all the 45 images ready. Now we come in here and we download as a CSV because we need that CSV to create the videos, right? Okay, we have that now. Now we come to this other template, again, the one that generates the videos, but mainly we remove this. It should stay prompt 1 result as a title, and just grab the just downloaded one. And we click on run bulk. This one may take a little longer because it takes a little bit more time to actually create videos instead of images this time. Meanwhile, while we are here, what we can do is go on Canva and create the video template, right? So we click on videos, create design videos, and let's say we want this one, which is, so we do the grid because it's easier to just add pages. Just add, bulk select them, and then just duplicate, right? Then you can do it again, duplicate, then again, duplicate. So we have it ready for the video. We go back to the template and see the progress. They are done. Okay, pretty fast. In this case, as I told you earlier, it's better to download them as a open directly on a Google spreadsheet. Takes a while to generate it, but just be patient a little bit. Okay, not too much actually. Open. So again, all you have to do is just download the videos, import them on Canva, as I've done. So we download it. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. You get the idea. Let me just show you how it's done. You come in here on the downloads folder and import all. So yeah, just import all the videos, add the music as I showed in the beginning of this video, and you're mainly done. Then you can download it. You can make it 1 hour long if you want to. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. I'll more than gladly answer to you. Again, this just demonstrates the power of PromptMate and the ability of even creating videos besides all the marketing and sales tasks that you can do with PromptMate. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.